Put your credit card away. Today we are testing free Forex Telegram trading signals from experts. Or a kid living in his mom's basement pretending to be an expert. I guess we'll find out. Basically, there's thousands of traders or kids sending free trading signals on the internet every single day. A trading signal will tell you what pair to trade, like NASDAQ or gold, tell you when to buy or sell, and where to set your profit and stop levels. Around once a year, I like to test a bunch of these signals and see if we can make any money from them. I'm not promising or guaranteeing any results in this video, I'm just testing these signals. So please join me for the next 3 to 4 weeks as I test a bunch of these signals, show you the verified trading results, and see if any of these can grow your trading account. Just smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go look for some signals. All right, let's do a simple Google search right here. Best Telegram groups for Forex signals in 2025, and I am feeling lucky. This looks pretty good here. There's 10 different signal providers to go through. We can take all 10 of these, throw them in a trade copier, and get the results after a couple of weeks. As we scroll through the signals here, I actually noticed this one, Annabelle Signals. I used her earlier this year, and she was absolute trash. Now, I'm going to give her another chance, even though Andrew Tate would be very disappointed in me.
100% of the blame is always on the female.
So let's look at a couple more of these options here. You can see trading can be such a scammy market. Look at this guy, over 40,000 guaranteed pips monthly. That's a scam. You can't actually guarantee future profits. This shouldn't even be on the internet. But we're going to give them all a chance. To join one, just click on this link right here. This is going to take us right into Telegram. If you don't have Telegram and you want to follow along, just come to telegram.org. It's absolutely free. You can put it on your computer, put it on your phone. Now, where were we? We were looking at the Pro Signals FX here. These results are a bit insane, okay? They're a bit insane. Let's look at a trading idea. This is a Bitcoin trading area. You can see we used this level as resistance a couple of times, broke through the level, used it as support. They think we're going to use it as support again with a modest target right there. That's a pretty good idea. Not bad at all. And obviously, if you want free signals from me, I have my own signal room with almost 80,000 people in it. The link to that is in the description. Here's a trading signal I recently set that won. Now, to make this test official, I've already put $3,000 into a trading account. Now all I have to do is take 10 of those trading signals, attach them to this trading account, and it's automatically going to trade the signals. And then we're going to see, is this 0% gain going to go to 100%? Is it going to go to minus 100%? We're about to find out. And if you're wondering where I'm doing this trading, I'm doing this trading on the AAA FX broker. They're the best broker in the business. They have low spreads, low commissions, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 on your computer and your phone. The link to this broker is in the video description, so sign up now, and I'll be back in a few days to show you some live trades from these free Forex signals. It's already the next day. I've got a bunch of live trades that have already placed. I'm in a live trade right now. I'm hoping this one goes in my direction and we get a good start to the week with these free Forex signals. I've just got some errands to run and then I'll show you some live trades. Okay, we have a trading signal from Annabelle. She wants us to sell the US dollar Japanese yen and target this level right here. This is the open trade I had from the car. Let's go ahead now and break this thing down. See if Andrew Tate was wrong about Annabelle. So you can see we've got a pretty good level right here on the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at a swing trade. This area was used as support. Now it's been used as resistance on multiple occasions. Looks like her idea is that we're taking a little bit of liquidity from the markets right here above the obvious level of resistance. And then she wants to enter the trade right back at this trend line break. You can see we had 1, 2, 3 touches and a break of that trend line telling us the price is going down. The analysis on this swing trade, I've got to say, is pretty damn good, and let's go ahead and play it out. Price tapped into the trading position right there, started going down with a huge candle. We were in profit almost right away, and then on the last candle right here, smashed the take profit. Annabelle, what the hell's going on? This one was 140 pips, targeting recent levels of support. Annabelle was doing really good with this trade, making me $94 on my $3,000 account. Now, if all of the signal providers are this good, we're going to be having a really, really fun time. So now it's time for us to take a look at the results after a full week of free Forex signals on Telegram. And despite Annabelle's huge win, it didn't go very well. You can see here, minus 100, minus 500, minus 300. Had a nice winning day on Thursday and then minus 50 on Friday. So if I pull up our verified MyFX book after a week, I'm down about $446 plus interest. If I scroll down, we won 4 out of 10 trades, which means that's a win rate of only 40%, and our average win was $30. Our average loss was minus 94. So we're risking $94 to win 30. That's a bad risk reward ratio. Now I'm going to chalk this up as a bad week, and it really doesn't matter because we have 10 providers. So at the end of 3 weeks, maybe at least 1 or 2 of those providers will be viable, even if we lose money overall. They call that a glass half full. Overs. That is not a good sign for how this week went. I've got a bunch of trades to show you, but first I've got to eat. Look, only real traders eat chicken wings with a Rolex on. Let's look at some live trades. All right, I ate my wings. Let's get into some trades. Pro Signals FX just sent me this Euro NZD long trade. Let's break it down. So this free Forex signal looks pretty good, right? We had a level of resistance right here. We broke through that level of resistance with momentum. We had a huge push right there, creating a level of demand at this area right here. And then for additional confirmation, we have the trend line break. You see multiple touches and the break. And so I decided this was a good trade. I was happy with this position. We tested support on multiple occasions, and then the price went all the way up and smashed my take profit for over $125. After that trade, I jumped right into a GB CAD sell trade by Elite Trading Signals. I didn't like this one as much. It looks like they're using a Bollinger Band and selling every time price comes to the top of that band. So I'm thinking this is more of a buy trade. You can see here we have support going up, support pushing the price up, support pushing the price up. So I'm thinking this is more of a buy here. We also had a trend line I set up. You could see 1, 2, and we broke the trend line. I'm thinking this is going up and not down. I know they're seeing this overall trend down with their waves, but let's just see what happened on this trade. You could see it went up a little bit here and then obviously shot up and killed the stop loss, right? I was thinking this was more of a buy. I thought this level was going to hold, and it did. You know, it took a little liquidity down there, and then it shot up. So that was a loss. I lost about 60 bucks there. Then I got this EJ trade from Top Trading Signals. You can see it looks like some of the other trades, not too bad. We got a level of resistance right here. We broke through that level, but not with a lot of momentum. On the other one, we had a lot of momentum, right? They want us to buy right here. I don't really see it, you know. I've got a trend line right there. It's not broken. Because we didn't get the big push up, I'm thinking this is liquidity. And we also have this head and shoulders pattern telling us the price is going to go down. So let's play it out and see what happened. Oh my God, what a terrible loss. I lost about 70 bucks on this one. Look, there was no reason to take this trade. It was clearly trading from a level of resistance. Now, even though we have losing trades here and things aren't exactly going our way, 4 out of the 10 signal providers are profitable still after 2 weeks. So if we go into my PNL calendar after 2 weeks, it was losing, losing, winning, losing, winning. So 2 winning days, 3 losing days, didn't really go up or down too much. And in my MyFX book, it's showing us the exact same thing, you know, slowly just kind of losing money, down about $616 here, win rate of 41%. The average win is better now, right? We're winning $72. The average loss just $87. So the risk reward ratio has gotten a lot better. And like I said, some of the signal providers are actually winning. 4 out of 10 are actually winning. So at the end of this test, we still may have a free Forex signal provider that we can trust on Telegram. All right, it's week 3, and this is the last signal I'm going to show you. Let's go back to our girl. She wants us to sell gold, and to be quite frank, I have no idea why she wants us to sell gold. Let's just play this thing out and see what happens. Stop loss. Annabelle, what the hell were you thinking? This was a counter trend trade without any confirmation and no real resistance. Bad idea. Now it's time to get into the final results and see if we can trust any of these free Forex signal providers on Telegram. First, we have the $3,000 trading account down $584. That's how we ended up. Not very good, but let's break it down signal provider by signal provider to see if any of them have their heads above water. Oh, quickly, before I do that, we had 116 total signals. We placing all of those trades. The win rate ended up being 49%. The average win, $47. The average loss, $55. And for the providers themselves, you can see here only 2 of them ended up positive. And the winner, to everyone's surprise, was Annabelle, plus $69.58. And in second place, the gold signals with $32.50. Annabelle actually had a lot of really good swing trades, so she deserves top spot here. I'm absolutely shocked. I can't believe it, but there was some quality there. Now, if you're going to use her signals or if you're going to use my signals, the link is in the description. Always make sure to do a little bit of analysis yourself. If they're not buying from support or selling from resistance, don't take the trade. Now, smash that like button, leave a comment, join my VIP trading room, watch this video right here. Definitely watch this video right here, and I'll be back next week. Much love.